Hello everybody. If you want to read all the stories' content in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you. Short story 788, The Best Soup. Beginner. Tom works at a small food stall in a busy city market. Every Saturday, many people come to the market. They buy fruit, bread, noodles, and hot soup. Tom has a problem this morning. A big cooking contest will start at noon. The winner will get £500 and a gold cup. Tom wants to win, but his soup tastes boring. His friend Maya walks past the stall. She smells the soup and makes a face. "This soup is tired," she says. "It needs a surprise." Tom looks at the table. He sees tomatoes, lemons, and fresh mint. He cuts the tomatoes, adds lemon juice, and puts mint on top. At noon, the judges arrive. They taste many bowls. When they try Tom's soup, they stop and smile. "This is bright and fresh," one judge says. In the evening, Tom holds the gold cup. People return to his stall and buy the new soup. The surprise makes a simple soup famous. Vocabulary notes. Stall, meaning a small shop or table in a market where people sell food or other goods. A stall is often simple and may only have a table and a cover. Example: Tom works at a small food stall in a busy city market. Similar words: stand, booth, market table, vendor stand. Boring, meaning not interesting or exciting. Something boring does not make people feel interested or happy. Example: Tom wants to win, but his soup tastes boring. Similar words: dull, uninteresting, plain, ordinary. Surprise, meaning something unexpected that people do not know about before it happens. A surprise can make something more exciting or special. Example: "This soup is tired," she says. "It needs a surprise." Similar words: shock, twist, unexpected thing, revelation. Judge, meaning a person who decides who is the best in a competition by tasting, watching, or checking something carefully. Example: at noon the judges arrive. Similar words: referee, evaluator, critic, examiner. Famous, meaning known by many people. When something becomes famous, many people talk about it or want to see or try it. Example: the surprise makes a simple soup famous. Similar words: well known, popular, celebrated, widely known. Story written by ChatGPT. Image created by ChatGPT. To read all the stories' content in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you. CC Music, Drifting at 432 Hz, Unicorn Heads.